How to reset Discord password. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along on me and watch this video until the very end. I found myself in this situation where I did not know where to go to reset my password, because actually I forgot it. In this video I want just to make this simple to you and help you and guide you through this process. Now, let's dive right into the video. Now, please go to settings in the bottom left hand corner, and then what you need to do is to go to my account. Now, what you need to do is to scroll down and then tab on change password right here. Tab on change password. Here you need to write your current password, and then you need to add a new password, and a new password that you just wrote right here. You need to add this password to write this password again. To confirm the new password, so just write the new password again that you just wrote right here. But the problem here is when I try to write here my current password, so basically I couldn't write the password because I couldn't remember the password. So what you need to do right now is to log out of your account. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes, log out. Now here, what you need to do is to enter your email or phone number of that Discord account. Once you wrote your password and now you send instructions to change your password to, please check box your inbox and spam folder. So basically Discord, they will send you an email where you can then reset that your password that you just forgot. So this is how the email looks like. Right here you can see reset password, and all you need to do then when you receive this email, you need to tap on reset password. So yeah guys, just tap on reset password, and this now you'll see Discord will open in your Discord. Now all you need to do is to enter a new password, and that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.